Good day. Welcome to our station, where we investigate how probably the most famous items on the planet are made. In this video, we will dive into the universe of caffeinated drinks and reveal the mysteries behind their creation. You might have considered what gives caffeinated drinks their energy-supporting impacts, how they are made, and what goes into the showcasing behind them. Well, fortune has smiled on you since we have every one of the solutions for you, so we should get everything rolling and figure out how caffeinated drinks are made. Did you have any idea that caffeinated drinks have become perhaps the most famous refreshment on the planet? From understudies pulling dusk, till dawn affairs to competitors searching for a lift before a major event, individuals are going to these beverages to assist them with enduring their day. As a matter of fact, the worldwide caffeinated drinks market is projected to arrive at more than $84 billion by 2027. Yet how are these beverages made? How about we figure out the essential fixings in caffeinated drinks: caffeine, taurine, and B nutrients. Caffeine is the most notable and generally involved energizer on the planet and its fundamental fixing answerable for the energy-supporting impacts of caffeinated drinks. Taurine, then again, is an amino acid that is normally tracked down in the human body and is accepted to assist with helping energy and further developing practice execution. B nutrients including B6, B12 and niacin are fundamental supplements that assume a part in digestion and energy creation. The obtaining and testing of these fixings is an urgent move toward the caffeinated drink fabricating process. Organizations cautiously select their providers and direct broad testing to guarantee the security and nature of the fixings. Moreover, caffeinated drink makers are expected to follow severe guidelines in regards to how much caffeine and different fixings in their items. One of the difficulties in involving caffeine as a fixing is that it can change in strength relying upon its hotspot. For instance, caffeine got from espresso beans might have an unexpected power in comparison to caffeine got from tea leaves. Makers should cautiously control how much caffeine is in each beverage to guarantee consistency in the item's belongings. Generally speaking, the determination and quality control of the fixings utilized in caffeinated drinks are fundamental to guarantee that the end result is protected and compelling. While there have been worries about the potential well-being gambles related with caffeinated drink utilization, a large portion of these worries have been connected with extreme utilization as opposed to the actual fixings. In the following segment, we'll investigate the assembling system behind caffeinated drinks. The assembling system of caffeinated drinks is a complex and profoundly controlled activity that includes a few stages. How about we investigate every one of these means blending the fixings? The initial phase in the caffeinated drink fabricating process includes combining the fixings as one. This is regularly finished in huge tanks where the caffeine, taurine, B nutrients, and different fixings are blended in with water and sweetness. The combination is painstakingly controlled to guarantee that the end result has a predictable taste and strength. Carbonation: after the fixings are blended, the fluid is carbonated to give the beverage its trademark bubble. This is finished by adding carbon dioxide gas to the fluid, which makes bubbles. Bundling: once the beverage is carbonated, it is bundled into jars or jugs. The bundling is intended to shield the beverage from defilement and to guarantee that it remains new until it is drunk. Quality control: all through the assembling system, the caffeinated drink is exposed to broad quality control measures to guarantee that it satisfies the organization's guidelines for security and quality. Examples are taken at different phases of the assembling system, and they try to guarantee that the caffeine and different fixings are available in the right sums and that there are no impurities present. Conveyance: after the caffeinated drinks are bundled, they are circulated to retailers in different outlets. The dispersion cycle is painstakingly checked to guarantee that the beverages are put away and shipped at the right temperature and that they are not presented to light or different circumstances that could influence their quality. One of the critical difficulties in the caffeinated drink producing process is guaranteeing that the end result has a reliable taste and strength. To accomplish this, makers utilize modern hardware and innovation to painstakingly control the blending and carbonation process. This assists with guaranteeing that each would-be able or jug of caffeinated drink has the very measure of caffeine and different fixings, and that the taste and surface of the beverage are steady, starting with one clump then on to the next. Notwithstanding quality control, security is additionally a main concern in the assembling system. This incorporates guidelines around how much caffeine and different fixings that can be utilized in the beverage, as well as rules around naming and showcasing. Generally, the assembling system for caffeinated drinks is an exceptionally managed and controlled activity that includes a few moves toward guarantee the well-being and nature of the end result in the following Segment we'll investigate the promoting and deals methodologies utilized by caffeinated drink organizations. The advertising and deals of caffeinated drinks are similarly all around as significant as the assembling system. Caffeinated drink organizations put vigorously in publicizing an advancement to construct brand mindfulness and to urge shoppers to attempt their items. We should investigate a portion of the showcasing and deals techniques utilized by caffeinated drink organizations. Sponsorship and supports one of the most widely recognized promoting procedures utilized by caffeinated drink organizations. As sponsorship and supports organizations frequently support occasions or groups in sports, music, and different regions to construct brand mindfulness and to connect their image with a specific way of life or picture. Supports from superstars or competitors are likewise normal, with organizations paying these people to advance their items. Bundling and plan. One more key part of caffeinated drink showcasing is bundling and configuration. Organizations put intense effort into making eye-catching plans and bundling that will stand apart on store retails and draw in customers. The plan and marketing of the caffeinated drink are frequently connected with the brand's general picture and message. Virtual entertainment and powerhouse promoting web-based entertainment have turned into an undeniably significant piece of caffeinated drink showcasing. Organizations that use stages like Instagram and YouTube to elevate their items and to connect with their interest group. Powerhouse promoting, where organizations cooperate with virtual entertainment forces to be reckoned with to advance their items, has likewise turned into a famous methodology as of late. Item position. Caffeinated drink organizations additionally put resources into item situation, where their items are included in films, television programs, and different media. Assist with building brand mindfulness and relating the caffeinated drink to a specific way of life or picture. Advancements and giveaways. At last, caffeinated drink organizations frequently use advancements and giveaways to urge buyers to attempt their items. This could incorporate limits, get one free offers, or challenges where buyers can win prizes by buying the item. While caffeinated drink organizations put intensely in advertising and deals, they are additionally expected to chase after severe guidelines naming and promoting. For instance, caffeinated drinks are expected to convey advance notice names demonstrating how much caffeine in the item and any potential well-being gambles related with polishing off. All in all, the advertising and deals systems utilized by caffeinated drink organizations assume a pivotal part in building brand mindfulness and empowering purchasers to attempt their items. While there have been worries about the potential well-being gambles related with caffeinated drink utilization, organizations keep on putting resources into promoting and advancement to drive deals and development. In all, caffeinated drinks have turned into a well-known drink decision for some individuals all over the planet. The assembling system for caffeinated drinks is perplexing and exceptionally controlled, with organizations utilizing refined innovation and apparatus to guarantee the well-being and nature of their items, from blending the fixings to bundling and dissemination. Caffeinated drink makers observe severe rules and guidelines to guarantee that their items are okay for utilization anyway. The marketing and sales methodologies utilized by caffeinated drink organizations have gone under examination lately, with worries raised about the potential health gambles related to drinking these drinks. In spite of these worries, caffeinated drink organizations keep on putting intensely in publicizing an advancement to fabricate brand mindfulness and to urge buyers to attempt their items. Similarly, as with any item, it's vital to drink caffeinated drinks with some restraint and to know about the potential well-being gambles related to elevated degrees of caffeine utilization. By understanding the assembling system and the promoting and deals methodologies utilized by caffeinated drink organizations, buyers can settle on informed conclusions about the choice about whether to drink these items. Generally speaking, caffeinated drinks are a captivating item with a complicated assembling process and an exceptionally cutthroat promoting scene, regardless of whether you really love caffeinated drinks. Obviously, these refreshments have turned into a critical piece of the refreshment business and will probably keep on being for quite a long time into the future.